I have driven my Volkswagen Virtus 60,000 kilometers in 2 years, and these are 5 things I hate about my car. This is the first ever video showing actual real problems in the Volkswagen Virtus, and I am 100% sure that if you search on YouTube, you won't even notice these issues. You will find hundreds of paid reviews, and we selected these 5 major problems in the Volkswagen Virtus. So without wasting time, let's start. So first one is fancy touch AC controls. This is not a feature problem, this is a real life problem. And you only understand it when you drive this car every single day in traffic. People talk about engines, about safety, about German build, but nobody tell you how irritating it is when your AC controls don't have buttons. Imagine this, you are stuck in traffic, it's 40 degrees outside, cars everywhere, and you don't want to look at the screen, you want to look at the road, but with touch controls, you have to look down and suddenly your AC is off. I have driven old cars, cheap cars, even taxis. They all had one thing is common, which is a simple rotatory AC knob. At night, it's worse. That screen light pulls your eyes from the road. And this is not hate, this is the ownership truth. I love this car, but this feels unnecessary. In traffic, comfort should be automatic, not a task. This is something most people completely miss. Not wear and tear, this is how it feels from the day one. When you sit inside a car like this, you expect solid, not luxury, just solid. But the moment you touch the dashboard or the door, it flex. And once you feel it, you can't ignore it anymore. This is where your hand stays every single drive. And this is where you feel the cost cutting the most. I paid for this car with excitement, with trust, not to keep reminding myself that some corners were rushed. Little thing make noise, little thing feel loose, and over time, little things become irritations. This part, you touch it every day. Keys, fingernails, dust, and the plastic shows everything. After few months, it doesn't look new anymore. Not abused, just used normally. I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching this far. This is my first long form video, and I know something might feel a little raw, but I am committed to growing. Now what's coming in part 2 will honestly change how you see the Virtus. I will go to 3 more issues to uncover things you won't expect. If you felt any connection with that I shared today, I promise the next part will bring even more insight. I will be posting it soon, and I am putting my heart into making each video better than the last. So if you are curious as I am to finish this journey, stick around. Together we will explore what's next, and I am excited for you to be part of it.